The next webinar, we're going to talk about what to do for your business when the market is slow. That's going to be our focus on the next webinar. So go to nachi.org/webinars, and we're going to talk about what does an owner and operator of a home inspection business, what do you do when the market around you is slow? We've got it. We've got the answer. It's going to be a really good one. And I think, you know what? I'm going to grab you all offline by email. Email me. Can you email me? ben@internachi.org. So please email me if you have a follow-up question or a comment or something outstanding you wanted to share with everybody or me, ask me a question. Feel free to email me. Again, ben@internachi.org. And be sure to register for the next webinar. It's going to be a good one. nachi.org/webinars. All right. Bye, everybody. I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you on the next webinar. Bye, y'all. Thanks.